1. Our Human Resources Department is examining innovative ways to motivate our employees. 2. John has sent his CV to the biggest construction company in the city. 3. At the beginning of the day, Mrs. Lowell notifies her boss of all his important appointments. 4. The considerable increase in sales is mostly due to the new marketing techniques we have been implementing lately.
What's the matter with Lindsay? She looks angry. Why is that woman looking at us? Do you know her? I'm thinking of accepting the position I was offered at our New York branch. I think it will be a positive advancement in my career. Just imagine what it would be like to live on a tropical island. Nobody is gossiping about you. You're just imagining it.